To draw a Halloween cat, let's start by drawing a circle for the head. And then we're going to draw the ears like that. And then we're going to go straight across the middle like that. And then these are going to be the eyes. They look a bit creepy, don't they? But then that's Halloween for you. So we're going to draw like a little hook and then a line down as well to make the eyeballs. And then we can draw the whiskers on the side. Now, this is going to be the chest coming down in a curve. And then the front legs are coming down. And then they're going to go forward like that. Then we want the back like that in a bit of a curve, and then it goes right into the back like that. This line here we can bring all the way along and come around into the tail like that. And now we can put the ground for the cat. Oh, let's make that level like that. So that might be a rooftop, mightn't it? Something like that. There we go. And then we want to come up here and draw a nice big moon. So it's silhouetted against the moon. And then you can start shading it all in, shade in, but keep the eyes not shaded. And while you're doing that, click the subscribe button and the like button so I can make you lots more drawing videos. Thank you. And this could take me forever, so I'm just going to magically colour it all in. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Come back again and draw more stuff easy peasy. Bye.